Do you want to achieve financial freedom? Have you ever thought about how it would feel to be free of financial worries? Today, we're going to delve into a technique that could be your ticket to this freedom, living below your means. Now, this might sound a bit daunting, but don't worry, we're going to break it down into easy, manageable steps. Firstly, what does living below your means actually mean? It's simple. It is spending less than you earn. So if you bring in $2,000 a month, you'll want to make sure your expenses are less than that. Seems straightforward, right? But the implementation can be a little tricky. Step 1 is understanding your income. You need to know exactly how much is coming in each month. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and even those birthday checks from grandma. Step 2 is tracking your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on in a month. This includes rent, groceries, eating out, entertainment, and even that morning coffee. You might be surprised at where your money is going. Step 3 is creating a budget. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to make a plan. Prioritize your needs over wants. Pay your bills, buy your groceries, but maybe cut back on eating out or that new outfit you've been eyeing. Step 4 is sticking to your budget. This is where discipline comes in. It's easy to make a budget, but following it is the real challenge. Remember, you're working towards financial freedom. Step 5 is saving and investing. The money you're not spending now can be put towards your future. Start an emergency fund, invest in stocks, or save for that dream vacation. Your future self will thank you. To summarize, living below your means involves understanding your income, tracking your expenses, creating and sticking to a budget, and saving and investing the difference. It's not always easy, but the benefits are enormous. You can relieve financial stress, save for the future, and even achieve financial freedom. So why not give it a try? Start today. Understand your income, track your expenses, create that budget, stick to it, and watch your savings grow. Remember, every small step counts. Thank you for joining this journey towards financial freedom. And remember, come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.